Yeah, so you're doing exactly what we need right there. Stop. So slowly come up the check cord right there. Go a little closer. Get a little closer to him. About right there somewhere. Don't let him advance any more towards that one because it's walking. There you go. Shake, buckle, tug. This is a tough one for a young dog. That bird's walking, so that's going to be really hard for him. That's pretty good. That's exactly what we want that young dog to do. And Mr. Bird Guy, you're in game on now. David, let's go. No, don't stay. All right. You're good. That's what we wanted. Who's got a dog? Yeah, bring that old gentleman, bring that old boy out here. Yeah, just a cardboard pigeon. Bring him across right there, see if he'll hit the scent cone and freeze up for us. Boom, right there. There's the old stoic. Stop him. There you go. So our puppy's on point here, our 6-year-old puppy.